Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be diving into the exciting world of creating and managing project estimates on teamwork.com. We'll start by creating a new project. On the top bar, click on the plus Add button and select Project. Fill in the necessary details like the project name, description, and also add people you want to involve. Now that we've done that, let's talk about why it's important. Setting up the project correctly is crucial as it forms the basis of your project estimate. Next up, we'll add tasks to the project. Click the Task button on your project page, then plus Add Task. Fill in the task name, assign it to a team member, and set a due date. Don't forget to estimate the time you think the task will take. The reason we do this is to give us a clear outline of what needs to be done and how long it will take, forming the backbone of our project estimate. Now let's look at how to create the project estimate. Go to the Estimates tab in your project, click plus Add Estimate, and fill in the details. This includes the estimated time for each task and the total time for the entire project. This helps us because it allows us to put a quantifiable number on the project scope, which is beneficial when planning resources and timelines. Managing your project estimates is just as important as creating them. To do this, regularly check your project's Time tab. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Teamwork.com is calculating if your project is on track according to your estimate. It's comparing the actual time spent on tasks against the estimated time. If you notice a significant deviation, it might be time to reassess your estimate or the project's progress. Let me explain why this matters. Regularly managing and updating your project estimates ensures that your project remains on track. It helps prevent overruns in time and budget, ensuring the success of your project. And that's it. You've now learned how to create and manage project estimates on teamwork.com. By following these steps, you're well on your way to effectively planning and executing your projects. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.